Hi everyone, once again welcome to Digital Journey. In this video we will discuss about two main parts of increasing our revenue or sales. So there are two parts, is the upselling and the cross-selling. These two are the different terms, but it is very important techniques that can be used to increase the sale and revenue. What is the upselling? Encouraging customer to buy a more expensive or upgraded version of the product they are considering. For example, convincing a customer to buy premium pair of flip-flops instead of basic pair. If we talk about the upselling part we can say that suppose if the customer want to buy a burger, so we have the three version, like burger small version is there, burger medium version is there, and burger large version is there. So we know the customer requirement, the customer want to purchase the burger. So instead of selling the small version, we have to try to sell the medium or large. As the same way definition, we can say that encouraging customer to buy a more expensive or upgraded version of the products. Like instead of the selling small, we have to sell it the upgraded version. It can be medium or large. This can be shown at the time of the checkout. Otherwise, at the time of the on the product information, this information we can show. Otherwise, on the product follow-up email, in that case we can sample them. So now we are discussing about the cross-selling. What are the cross-selling? Encouraging customer to buy related or complementary product. For example, convincing a customer to buy socks or shoe cleaning kit. Like suppose what it is saying that if the customer want to purchase the shoes, so we can recommend the socks. We can recommend the socks. We can recommend the shoe cleaning kit. Means the customer is purchasing the shoes, and in this case we can recommend the socks and shoe cleaning kits. So this is very important factors in the cross-selling, like related to the product and as a complementary we can offer something. But in terms of the upselling, we have to sell the upgraded version of that particular products. So these are the some common tips for the upselling and cross-selling. First one is the follow-up. Contact customer after they make a purchase to thank them and confirm their buy order and ask for feedback. The second one is the offer financing. For high-ticket item, offer financing option like a monthly payment plan to make it for easier customer to buy. You can make option like you have to don't focus only on the cash. You can via the credit card, via the EMI, you can make this kind of the transaction to improve the number of the sales. Time your pitch. When taking orders, suggest a premium offer first. Like basically you, according to your product, you have to differentiate like how I can try to pitch the premium product instead of the smaller. Like we have to try how we can pitch the medium product comparison to the small. So if we are trying to if you are trying to pitch the medium product, so in this case you can add the complementary. You are selling the burger, so in the medium you can add the small coke just at 9 rupees if you purchase the premium. So this kind of the offer addition, a discount, via the discount you can just give some information about them. And now this is the build customer journey. Develop customer journey to measure how customer will use your product and how it will benefit. So basically, if we are, so for every product type, for every version of the products, we have to create the how customer will use our product and how it will be beneficial to the end user. Like a customer is purchasing, like if customer A is purchasing a product, so we have to define how customer A will be beneficial from our product. That is the main reason. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. In the upselling and cross-selling, the main difference between both: upselling is to sell the upgraded version of that particular product. Cross-selling is to sell the related product. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Take care.